Welcome to our first virtual assembly. When it's safe, we look forward to all being back in the gym together. But until then, we'll do these assemblies virtually and try to have some fun with it. Every week, we want to celebrate the birthdays of the week coming up. So this week, we'd like to wish a big happy birthday to Zuzu, Andrew, Isabel, Milo, Elena, Paul, Sullivan, Arya, Charlie, Henry, Soam, Connor, Stephen, Miles, and Ben. We all hope you have a great birthday. This week's assembly topic is welcoming new friends. MCDS is so happy to be welcoming so many new friends in every grade level. I want to tell you a story or share a story with you about my first day at school a very long time ago when I went to preschool. My mom and dad dropped me off at preschool and I didn't have any friends there. It was a brand new school for me. And I remember being really afraid, and I actually started crying because I didn't know anyone. And a little girl came up to me and said, "Don't cry, I'll be your friend. My name is Shireen." And I wanted to share with you that Shireen and I went to preschool together, elementary school, and high school, and we are still best friends. As a matter of fact, I still speak with Shireen every morning on my way here to MCDS. So if you could help me out, and if you see another student who you don't recognize, who appears to be new, please take a moment and introduce yourself. And on that note, I want to wish everyone a great weekend, the last weekend before we start school. And I cannot wait to welcome you on Monday morning to school.